So you need a 1-inch dowel rod to go into a 2.5-inch ball, but you don't want it to go crooked or sideways. And so how do you drill a straight hole into a round ball? Well, I'll show you. First you take a larger size drill bit and simply drill it into a board that you have clamped to a table. Now, because it's clamped, I'm going to put that ball right there. That ball is now directly in line with the drill bit, so I'll change out the drill bit to a 1-inch Forstner bit, and then I'll drill down into the ball. When I make the drill bit go down, it goes directly into the center of that hole. So when the ball is in this hole, and I drill straight down, it's going to leave a 1-inch hole for my 1-inch dowel rod to go into. And there you go. Then we shall take a little bit of glue. And then we shall put it on the end of our 1-inch dowel rod. And then take our clamp and then squeeze this down. And then, I don't need to hold this, for loosening or tightening our vise. Just like so.